Hi, my name is Blue, and this is Maintenance Matters, where a Weld County garage technician walks us through a routine maintenance issue and teaches someone like me, who doesn't speak car, how to fix it. This week, we are learning how to change a tire with Mr. Cory Kenworthy. Let's go! Okay, Cory, please tell me that changing a tire is not as daunting as it seems.
No, it's actually pretty easy. Everything you need to do, it's actually located inside your car, and it only takes about 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh, that's shorter than the Starbucks Drive-Thru.
Yeah. So this is your spare tire. Back here is your jack, and then right here is your lug wrench to pull your lug nuts off. And then basically we're just going to lift the jack and it'll pick the car up.
And then you turn this knob until it goes?
Yep, until the tire comes off the ground.
Now that I know how to change a tire, what do I do if it's still just a bit too much for me?
Well, luckily for you, Weld County Garage has started a mobile technician service.
Oh, that's right.
So we'll come directly to you.
So convenient.
Yeah, we'll help you change your tire, whatever you need.
Awesome. I love that. WCG Your Way means we'll come straight to you to help with any vehicle maintenance you might need.
Don't forget to like and share with your friends who also don't speak car.